Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Genesis G80. When it comes to electric vehicles, many manufacturers lean into futuristic, grille-less designs and hyper-aerodynamic shapes. The 2026 Genesis G80 takes a refreshingly different route. With a design that mirrors its gas-powered counterpart almost perfectly, this EV exudes sophistication while delivering powerful performance and innovative features. The G80 isn't just about aesthetics. Beneath its sleek and familiar exterior lies a high-performing electric powertrain that makes this sedan an appealing contender in the mid-size luxury EV segment. With dual electric motors providing zesty acceleration and an estimated range of 282 miles, this EV offers both power and practicality. Genesis has stretched the G80's wheelbase by 5.1 inches compared to the 2025 model, creating a more spacious rear seat experience. Passengers in the back will notice the added legroom, making long drives even more enjoyable. The cabin now features a striking 27.0-inch touchscreen, replacing the previous 14.5-inch unit. This display spans two-thirds of the dashboard, seamlessly integrating the digital gauge cluster for a futuristic, cohesive look. The interior is a sweet place to spend time, with a posh-looking design and premium materials throughout. The G80 comes decked out with soft leather upholstery and attractive wood trim. A wide 27.0-inch touchscreen sprouts from the top of the dashboard and acts as the hub for the G80's infotainment system and gauges. The display is manipulated via a circular controller on the center console as well as buttons on the steering wheel and voice commands. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard, as is a powerful Lexicon audio system. A pair of electric motors, one on each axle, gives the G80 all-wheel drive a combined 365 horsepower. The chassis feels just as lithe as the gasoline-powered model, and the G80 comes standard with a rear-wheel steering system. All it's missing is the familiar purr of a gasoline engine. Highway cruising is steady, comfortable, and quiet as well. The pre-facelift G80 hit 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds. That result put it 0.6 seconds ahead of the V6-powered G80 Sport to 60 miles per hour. The price of the 2026 Genesis G80 is expected to start around $77,000 and go up to $82,000 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.